This 2018 Heartland Prowler 29 PRKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 34 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 6, oven, LP detector, microwave, awning, refrigerator, water heater, slide-out, skylight, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Heartland Prowler 29 PRKS is 7,660 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.